Get 12 months of property and facilities management software completely free with no subscription and no risk. Cut costs, eliminate waste, and take full control of your operation through one in-field platform. In today's market, relying on disconnected systems leads to lost revenues, operational delay, and lack of visibility. Budgets are getting tighter and profit margins are shrinking. There is no longer room for inefficiency. The companies that digitize now are the ones that will lead the market. With Property Automate, you can manage leasing, facilities, maintenance, assets, and invoicing all from one place. You will be able to automate operations, track every unit in real time, manage tenants and maintenance requests easily, and gain full visibility over everything. Start within days with no risks and no upfront costs. Limited offer, 12 months for free for our selected companies in the Middle East. Apply now and start running your business smarter and faster.